Okay, just a quick note on combining courses on Luminate. I suggest that if you're the main lecture person on a course, combine everything. Um, we have so many sections now. We have a lot of teachers now, and it just makes things so much easier if everything is combined. I will do another video on how to access just your section if you're a lab teacher and you just want to access your section. Um, I'll show you how to do that, but just quickly combining courses. So go to the institution page, Illuminate institution page. So up here, yeah, this isn't straightforward. So yeah, welcome to Illuminate. And then you're going to go to support and resources. This page will open up and managing combined courses right here, combined sections. Once you go into this, it will ask you to put in the course codes. And I honestly don't remember I think it's just like HRAC 111, 112, 113, whatever. Um, and then click the section data. If you have trouble, just email luminate at centennialcollege.ca. The folks there, um, Raj is the sort of the main one. Vijaya, and there's a few others. They're more than happy to help. Just say, look, I've got this course. I want to combine all the sections. Can you help me with this? And they're very helpful. They know that Luminate is awful, and they're very willing to help and get things done. So just to go over that again. So let me go back here. So Illuminate up here, institution page, click on the institution page. You'll start up here, scroll down to the Illuminate support and resources, and then managing combined courses will take you, say just open up a third page, but anyways. So that's how that's done. So hope that helps.